Welcome to replacing the wing mirror of a Mercedes Sprinter. You take out this one, there's the same screw as that one, it's Torx 30, there's one over there, and then there's a small copy here, that's a smaller Torx, and there's one here, that's also Torx 30 to take out. Okay, to remove the wing mirror of a W907, you don't need to open this one, which I already did. You don't need to take out this one, which I already did. You see there's a block down here. So it is easy if this one is out. Then you can push these clips out. Takes a little bit of force. And then you have this one, and this one is for the mirror. And then in 9 and 2 it goes back. And don't forget to put back this small one, locking system. Only took it out to make it easy for myself. Now everything is back. So these ones are just tightened by hand. Don't tighten them too much. This clip is back in, and this one is back in.